We are here in Amsterdam. We are here together with a group of international experts to discuss on sustainable energy and how biomass can play a role in that.
Surely we can import, but it would be beautiful if we have a flagship project from our own soil, from the Netherlands. So a good starting point would be to map per province what the biomass availability is, and to also get the stakeholders informed, get the farmers involved, by them letting us know where they see the possibilities.
You need to make more land available for biomass production within your own borders. You need to make sure that you grow the crops that gives the most carbon or energy, if you like, per hectare per year.
A lot of areas in Europe which are marginal, so that means that the soil is degraded, and that soil can be used, for instance, for biomass production, for energy purposes. But the main aim should actually be to avoid those production of marginal lands in terms of supporting a very good soil management system and also supporting the farmers in Europe.
In our group, we looked at the potential of using cacao pods from Ivory Coast. There's about 2 million metric tons of cacao pods that are currently not being used. And we explored the possibilities of converting that, which means that we need to first pre-process the cacao pods locally in Ivory Coast to an intermediate product. The intermediate product can be then transported to the Netherlands, where it can be converted into a biofuel. The process itself means that we can keep the nutrients locally, so we can fertilize the land again through the effluents.
In Sweden, we focus very much on domestic production and domestic raw materials. From this discussion, I take with me the more global perspective and the international markets for fuel and trade.
The problem is, how can we together help to become this world a better world? This will require different type of business deals. This will require different type of contracts, no more linear, but also circular.
Bioenergy can be an important factor also to stimulate sustainable agriculture in certain regions of the world. So this is really very important for us.
You always need biomass to reduce and to make this energy transition that is necessary.
My impression is that we have a very great crowd of people together, very knowledgeable people, very engaged people with climate change, as well as with other notions of sustainability, including biodiversity. And these people are using their creativity to come with solutions that score well on each of these dimensions and really help to overcome the problems of climate change.
What I really liked is that the director of E4Tech was talking about an initiative in the UK where they had a competition. They said, okay, we need a big factory to produce biofuels. So if you have an idea how to do that, then we pay half of it, like 100 million, for example. And then you are sure that this factory comes through, so you make a positive thing out of it.
I'm definitely inspired by today. It was a very truthful day with a lot of ideas and a lot of brilliant people. So let's repeat this many more times.